Two brought me back to so many history on makeup artistry. I remember using all these for avant-garde makeup looks. Actually, not this brand. I've used way more expensive brands. So makeup artists or those who are striving to be a makeup artist are quite lucky because you have better options and more options nowadays. So this is so beautiful. I have to be careful because I will be taking photos pa, but lightly swatching. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda niya, kinikilig ako. See, it's so subtle. It looks crazy on pan, but it's super subtle once applied. So this primer, I checked under ingredients are the regular ingredients for primers. It has dimeticone, and usually primers are super good. It makes application easier. It's smooth on your skin, and it can really fill in pores and fine lines. But the downside is, you know, some people are allergic to ingredients that mix these types of primers. This reminds me so much of the Smashbox one. Guys, sorry nasira yung nail polish sa kaka-open ng boxes. Ayan, here you go. It's mas basa siya than the Smashbox photo finish primer, but it does have the same feel. Wait lang, amoyin ko guys. Ooh, walang amoy. Sniffing Nikki. Ayan. Hindi nyo makita masyadong difference, but the feel, there is smoother feel, but mas matagal siyang mag-settle or set as compared to the Smashbox one. And then we have their brow gel, which I obviously cannot show you. Sobrang dulas na ng kamay ko, hindi ko na ma-open. You know what guys, I won't open this now kasi hassle, but I will be doing a look using this for sure in the future. And eyeliner pencil, ayan na naman, paano ko siya buksan? Wait, call a friend. I have high hopes for their pencil. Ooh, sobrang dark and pigmented. And this I originally thought was a gel liner, but it's not because it does look like a gel liner, but it's a eyeshadow cream. Ooh, maganda siya. Okay na. Okay na ako dito. Yep, and I hope it's long wearing. Mukha naman. Let's see if it'll set and stay for life. Issue ko lang dito, kailangan mo siyang isole on a right angle or else you're gonna have like a weird, ayan, weirdly shaped product. So you just have to make sure to repeat it and get used to it. Shades, I'm not sure if these are all. Feeling ko marami pa kasi they are pro. So they definitely have more options. And I will be using some of these products soon and I'll update you guys. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.